is your name, little girl?
Brianna.
Brianna what?
Jasmine.
And how old are you, Brianna?
3.
And when will you be 4?
I grow up
No, will you be 4 what month?
for half a year.
And what's your favorite color?
You want to split?
And what's your favorite food?
Macaroni and turkey and chicken.
An egg roll.
An egg roll.
And a glass.
And what kind of ice cream do you like now?
Twist.
Are you ready for that?
That's right, Twist. And what's your favorite movie?
Tell Daddy you take it.
Mary Poppins.
So you take
Mary
it.
Poppins. And what's your favorite story? Is it
You know what?
Cinderella?
Adults love taking them.
Beauty and the Beast?
Children don't like taking them.
I never take it.
I guess our interview is now cut short.